Gulab Jamun made from milk powder is for sure tasty and delicious. Few traditional food items made with flour is very easy to prepare, but few traditional food items with flour require a lot of efforts in making, and when finally done preparing, either the taste varies or the shapes differ. One of such food item made with flour is Gulab Jamun, so have to pay special attention while frying to the desired color and cook to well done. Hello my dear family and friends, welcome to Siri Kitchen Moments. For interesting recipes, please subscribe to Siri Kitchen Moments. In recent times, either the skim milk or the milk powder is available anywhere and everywhere. With this milk powder, we can make condensed milk and then prepare Gulab Jamun. But these Gulab Jamun that is made from the milk powder won't bulge like the regular ones, but will be very tasty. Let's see the ingredients required. Milk powder, 6 tablespoons. Water, 2 cups. Sugar, 1 tablespoon. We require this for the dough. Also, we need 2 cups sugar for the sugar syrup. Ghee, 1 tablespoon. Again, this is for the dough. Also, we need ghee for deep frying. Wheat flour, 1 tablespoon. I'm using wheat flour here instead of all-purpose flour, just to be on the healthier side. Vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon. Red food color. This is optional. If you like to, you can add. Otherwise, you can just leave this. Boil the water. When the water starts boiling, turn off the stove. Now pour the hot water in the milk powder and start stirring with a spoon and make sure lumps are not formed. Keep mixing for 10 minutes until the milk powder completely dissolves in water and becomes like milk. In a vessel, pour this milk and heat on the stove and keep stirring. After some time, when the water evaporates, milk solidifies and forms like a dough. We got 1 cup of dough. Now add 1 tablespoon sugar, add wheat flour, 1 tablespoon ghee. In a mixing bowl, knead with your palms until the smooth texture. When we get a nice smooth texture, make small balls out of the dough. Make sure all the balls are evenly rolled out without any cracks. Prepare all the balls out of the dough and place it on a plate. Cover with a damp cloth or a damp kitchen paper towel and keep aside. In a white pan, add sugar and little water and let it come to a 1-string consistency syrup. Once we get the desired sugar syrup, that's when add red food color, which is optional. That is your choice if you want to add. Otherwise, you can just leave it plain. Add vanilla essence and mix the sugar syrup. Turn off the stove and keep it aside. Now in a deep skillet, pour ghee for deep frying. When the ghee is medium hot, slowly add one after the other dough balls that we prepared. Keep the flame on low to medium. Make sure the flame is always on low to medium and not on high. Slowly and steadily stir on all sides. All the balls must be evenly fried. So keep on stirring and fry the balls until light red golden color. When you get the desired color and the balls inside are cooked well, remove from the skillet and transfer to the sugar syrup that we prepared. As you're seeing here, these gulab jamuns won't bulge a lot like regular gulab jamun that is made with khoya, and also the syrup will not completely enter through. But the taste will be really good. You should definitely give this a try. Gulab jamun with milk powder recipe? Do try it and comment your feedback. If you like this tasty dessert, do like this video. Share this Gulab Jamun recipe with your loved ones. For more interesting recipe videos, please subscribe to Siri Kitchen Moments and click the bell icon and select all notifications for latest video notifications.